Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your Apple ID credentials and access to a trusted device for 2FA. First, open Chrome on Android and go to iCloud. Use desktop mode in the browser settings. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID. When prompted, enter the two-factor code from your iPhone or trusted device. Make sure to choose Don't Trust only if on a public device. If sign-in fails, check your network and Apple ID status before continuing. Once signed in, you'll use the browser's desktop mode to access Photos, iCloud Drive, Notes, and Mail. Tap Photos to view and long press to download images. Larger downloads work better on Wi-Fi. When using iCloud Drive, select Files and use the browser's download action. Remember Android saves to downloads unless you choose a folder. If you prefer Mail in an app, configure a map using your Apple ID and app-specific password. This gives sync and push-like behavior without to finish, sign out of iCloud. When finished and clear the desktop mode setting if you want mobile views later. If you added Mail to an app, use an app-specific password generated in Apple ID security. Troubleshooting tip. If pages won't load or downloads stall, clear the browser cache, force close the browser, and reconnect to Wi-Fi. If you still can't sign in, revoke web sessions in your Apple ID account, reset your password, then sign in again using the two-factor code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.